Hello everyone, welcome to Best One channel. In today's video, we will discuss the top 5 tufting guns. Please subscribe to the channel, click the bell icon, and many thanks to those who have already subscribed. If you like the video, don't forget to like and comment. Let's get started with the video. Item number 5 in our list is Upgrade Tufting Gun. Specifications: brand name Owen, material metal, origin mainland China, voltage 100 to 240 volts, power 70 watts, tufting pile high 7 to 21 millimeters, weight 1.4 kg, output DC 24 volts small adapter. Item number 4 is AK3 Professional 2-in-1 Electric Carpet Tufting Gun. Specifications: brand name Owen, material metal, origin mainland China. As the item number 3, we've selected Upgrade 2-in-1 Electric Carpet Tufting Gun. Specifications: brand name Owen, material stainless steel, origin mainland China. Item number 2 is 2-in-1 Electric Carpet Tufting Gun. Specifications: name 2-in-1 Electric Tufting Gun, model cut pile, loop pile, material metal plus plastics, input voltage AC 100 to 240 volts, output voltage 24 volts, frequency 50 to 60 Hz. Adjustable speed 5-40 stitches, SEC adjustable. Cut pile 6 to 16 millimeters, loop pile 6 to 14 millimeters. Power 100 watts. On the top of our list at number 1 we have Electric Hand Carpet Rug Tufting Gun. Specifications: brand name XMSJ, material metal, origin mainland China, voltage range 100 to 240 volts, power 70 watts, frequency 50 to 60 Hz, pile high 7 to 19 millimeters, speed range 5-40 stitches, SEC adjustable, weight 3 pounds 1.4 kilograms.
Alright guys, that's all for now. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and leave a like. Be sure to check out the description for links to find the most up-to-date pricing and all the products mentioned in this video. If you're new to the channel, subscribe. Hope you all have a great day and we'll see you back here soon.